Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please just subscribe, hit and like. My name is Sudi, and Sudi is the jack of all trades, but mainly I do online work. Yeah, in this channel you'll find a lot of useful information that will help you make an extra coin online. Even some informative posts or other videos. So welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on my video. Now today, from the title of the video, I came across this particular website that pays you for every survey you complete on their website. It's actually one of the highest, it's actually the highest paying website that I've ever come across on my time online. So this particular website pays you as high as $1 per every survey completed. And a survey will not take more than your 15 minutes. So you answer a few questions and then you are rewarded instantly. From that, you can easily withdraw your money. So the money will be paid into your PayPal account, and then you can easily withdraw that money from your PayPal account into your mobile wallet or into your bank. There are also some surveys that will take less time and you might be paid half a dollar, but not less than that. So either $1 or a half a dollar surveys in this particular website. Brands are out here looking for information to enable them make the right decision regarding their products. And so they want to get your opinion on how their product is being perceived in the market, or if there are some changes or modification they are supposed to do on those particular products, then they'll make an informed decision based on the outcome of those particular surveys. So question number one, you ask yourself, how do you go about this? So one, you must first register on this particular website. And then you'll be asked a few personal information like your date of birth, gender, your monthly income in case you are employed, or even if you are self-employed, that is how much money do you make in a month or even in a year. So this particular information they're asking from you is to enable them give you tailored surveys. Like if a brand wants to target a particular demography, then from the survey, from your profile, that is the kind of questions you answer, they will be able to determine which survey suits you best and therefore give you those particular surveys. So not everybody can receive the exact survey. It will depend on your profile. Like for example, if let's say an insurance company wants to get information from civil servants, or rather the employed, then if your profile is unemployed, then you will not get that particular survey. So you have to be as truthful as possible so that you get the relevant surveys for your category or for your profile. I've been responding to surveys on this particular platform for the past like a year or so, and I will tell you one thing, it's a very legit platform. It's a very legit platform. It pays. Yeah. So in this video, I'm gonna let you know how they pay, and then I show you with evidence how much I got paid, and then how it was easy for me to withdraw the money into my mobile wallet. So I have a sample. So keep tabs. Watch this video up to the end of it. You'll see it, how much I was able to make. There are two main ways in which you can earn from this particular website. That is the one that I've explained, that is filling of surveys, and then you are paid either half a dollar or $1 per survey. And then there is another way you can also earn, and this is through affiliate. So briefly, let me explain about affiliate. For those guys who are not aware of what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing is basically earning on referrals. Like for every survey responder you refer to the platform, you are paid. Like on this particular platform, if you refer your friend and then they create a profile and they get a survey and they successfully respond to it and they are paid. So you refer a friend with your link. After registering, you'll get a link customized for you. Link, when you send it to your friends, they click on the link and register. right? Then they become kind of you are referred client on the platform, huh? And then they get a survey and they respond to that survey successfully and they are paid their $1. You as the referee or the referrer, in this case, referrer or referee, you as the person who has referred them, you get paid $1 for every survey that they fill. Yeah? So like if I give you my link and then you click on the link and then go and create an account and then you get a survey and then you fill on it, I will receive $1. So meaning then is also an opportunity for you to make even extra bucks by referring your friends. Besides you alone filling the surveys and being paid, you can actually make a very handsome income aside from your maybe 8 to 5 job if you have one, right? So assume in a day the website has sent you 5 surveys, and then you respond to them successfully. That means you'll be paid $5. 5 by 1, get $5. And then you referred, let's say in a month, yeah. So let's say now that is in a day, yeah. You have $5 in a day. Let's say that, yeah. Don't have a lot of time to be online, and then that will be 5 by 1. That will be $5 per day. $5 per day, right? And then you refer, let's say in a month, you refer like, let's say 30 of your friends, 30 of them. You refer 30 of your friends who will go create an account and then they are successfully converted. That is, they're paid their $1. So for every friend you refer, you get $1. So 30 friends will have a total of $30, right? So if you've received your $5 per day, and let's say out of 30 days in a month, 20 of them, you are able to make $5 a day. So that means then you'll have 5 by 20, you'll make $100. Plus the $30 that you got from the people you referred, then you'll have a cool $130. $130 as at now, today's exchange rate, that is a dollar goes for 140, around 140 Kenyan shillings, then $130 will give you close to 20,000 shillings a month, right? I know you're asking yourself, which website is this? Huh? I'm gonna let you know this particular website. Just relax, get all the information. Huh? Good. So, like you see right now, for me, after logging into the website, I'm told I'm welcomed, but currently they don't have surveys for me. So sometimes they don't have anything to offer, but anytime they offer, they'll let you know. So you have to make sure notifications are enabled. Like you see from my end, I've enabled email notifications and even browser notifications. So anytime a survey is available, I'll be notified immediately. So now, if you also want to earn as an affiliate, that is, you refer your friends to come and respond to surveys, and then you are also paid. You are told these affiliates. You're told that payment model, that for every new user that successfully completes a survey and receives his order, you as the referrer will receive a one-time payment. All countries, whether is using mobile, you'll get $1, or a desktop, you'll get $1, right? So meaning the more friends you refer, the more money you will make. So far, since I started working with this particular website, I've managed to register users, 2005 users, right? 2005 users. And then those clicked 9,000 times. Conversions, I'll be able to convert 103 of them. So if we go to payments, amount of money I've been able to be paid, in total, I've made a total of $116. You can see it there, right? And then I have $1 that is pending, that is supposed to be paid anytime, right? So they pay via PayPal. You're told that you're currently using PayPal as your preferred payment method. Anytime you complete a survey and you are paid through PayPal, definitely you'll get an email from PayPal informing you that you have been paid. Like on 5th September, that is around 7 days ago, when I was paid, I was sent this particular mail from PayPal. So it says that personal ODB Vision has sent you $1, PayPal has partnered with M-Pesa to enable you seamlessly or easily transfer your money from PayPal to M-Pesa. It is called paypal-mobilemoney.com. This one /M-Pesa. So you just type PayPal M-Pesa, the first link that comes. Click on PayPal M-Pesa. This particular website that comes first, this one, you click on it, and then it take you here. From this particular website, it is easy for you to transfer money from your PayPal into your M-Pesa. So you'll be here after logging in, then you go to withdraw from PayPal. Now, because I had already withdrawn my money before recording, I didn't remember to record it. I was able to only record when the money arrived in my M-Pesa. So if you have balance, if you are paid, then the money will come here, and then you enter the amount you want to withdraw, and then you continue to withdraw. Good. So here we are. Your withdrawal of $1 from PayPal is being processed within minutes, and then a few minutes later, transaction completed. You have added 142 shillings to your M-Pesa as at that from your PayPal account. So you have received 140 shillings from Sudi to your M-Pesa. If you want to know the name of this particular website, right? Comment down here. Tell me. Just comment, tell me. And I will send you the link to this particular website. I'll send you the link to this particular website. Yeah? Thank you. Hey, please don't forget to subscribe. Hey, follow, click, share to your friend this video. It's informative. It helps you make an extra buck, an extra income online, just free.